Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona Build. On this episode, by the way, I'm still waiting for my hatch glass from Factory 5. They've been telling me it's sitting in shipping, but it hasn't left yet. I'm not getting any confirmation. I got the hardware I needed, but no glass. So the car's pretty much out of luck. Another thing I did do, which I did not show, is I went to 3/4 inch wheel spacers instead of half. See if I can drop the car down a little bit, which gives me a little more. As you can see, coming down over the top, it's just about level. So I think that's probably the right thing. So now that effectively makes my wheels 18 by 12 with 6-inch backspace, or what do they call it? Zero offset, which I think is probably about perfect. We'll see how low I can go before it still rubs that bar. So this video, I'm just going to show, some guy sent me some video of the autocross from outside the car instead of all inside the car. I'll just throw it up real quick. I got my buddy's coupon there too, so enjoy. And then hopefully next time we'll get some more action coming at you. But there's actually a couple of good clips in here. Kind of shows what these cars are capable of. So thanks again for watching, and definitely hit subscribe, and we'll keep the videos coming. Thanks.